Hi and welcome to the housekeeping team video for Hello Hosty. The link that you've been provided with will give you access to the Hello Hosty calendar and housekeeping schedule, as you can see here. This is the mobile view. You can select from the properties that you're managing using the drop-down menu here. You can also shift over to a different type of view, which is the timeline view, where you can see the properties are listed on the left and the bookings listed in the middle. You can scroll down and see a list of all the upcoming bookings. And you can also, very importantly, set notifications. Now, this is a really important feature for the housekeeping teams. You can put an email in here, a telephone number in here, and a WhatsApp number in here. And if you have multiple housekeeping team members that need more notifications, simply ask the property manager if they can create another listing for you, and they'll be able to create other listings that have notifications attached to them also. So you can receive notifications once you put your email or SMS number in there or WhatsApp number in there and turned it on. You can receive notifications about new bookings, cancellations, booking modifications, same-day changeovers, last-minute booking alerts, any changes to the guest notes. So for example, if it's important to set up the sofa bed, to provide a welcome pack, or to provide the travel cot for babies, etc., then if you turn this on, whenever there's a change to the notes section for a booking, you'll receive a notification via one of these methods that there's been a change in that section. You can also receive notifications for arrival reminders and any cleaning schedule alerts that you may want to receive. You've got access here also to the cleaning schedule. Before I move on to the housekeeping schedule, I'm going to show you this feature. So this feature here identifies days in which you have a high number of turnovers. For example, a 78% turnover on a day is 78% of the properties you're involved with turning over on one day is a day of high turnover. So you can click this button and you can see what days over the next 6 months that you're going to have the most activity, which will help you plan to make sure that you're available for those days. I'm going to switch to the housekeeping schedule here. You can see jobs here which you have the ability to accept or decline, or you can mark them as complete once they've been completed. You can just check this every day and see when new bookings have come through. You can also change the language on this. So if you would prefer to see this every day in a different language, you can choose another language and it will remember each time when you open the link. You can export this as a PDF or a CSV, and you can also report maintenance issues. So for example, if you're inside a property and you notice that the door handle is loose, then you can take a video or make a photo, upload it here. You can set the priority, select the category and say submit report, and then the maintenance issue is then logged with the property manager for them to resolve. I hope this is helpful. If you've got any questions, please reach out.